After several months of anticipation, the mainnet is finally here, and we are all excited for Reserve Right, what the team has achieved, and we are looking forward to how our tokens will be created and how they are going to impact the entire crypto ecosystem. Reserve Right protocol is a decentralized protocol, aims to create truly decentralized stablecoins that can stand the test of time and to resist inflation. The main idea is to create a basket of assets that users can use to transact and also to preserve their asset value. The Reserve protocol uses smart contracts that facilitate the creation of stablecoins for anyone, anywhere, and at any given time. At this point, creating a stablecoin is not a surprise to anyone in crypto, especially knowing that it is the bridge, it is a compromise that lies between the crypto world and the fiat world. We have stablecoins of all sizes. The big ones include USDT, USDC, BNB, and several others. But we also have several smaller size stablecoins that are only known to their ecosystems. So now the question is, in the world of several stablecoins, how does Reserve Right stand out? And at least how do the team plan to be unique in the future, and how are they going to have a global financial impact? So the Reserve Right project aims to produce an alternative to fiat money by aggregating a basket of tokenized assets, which are stable in purchasing power. Reserve Right plans to change the basket over time with a long-term view that the right basket of the current year may not be the same for the future. New additions and subtractions will be made every year based on economic demands. The Reserve protocol is based around the Reserve RSV stablecoin. What is notable about RSV is that, unlike other stablecoins such as Tether, it is not backed by reserves. Instead, it relies on another crypto based on the platform, which is the RSR token. So there are two tokens. On the network. Let's look at each one of them, their differences, their use cases, and why the two tokens are necessary in this particular instance. RSV is the stablecoin created to be 1:1 peg against the dollar. Its goal is to be an alternative to a volatile asset. Users can hold RSV and not worry about the day-to-day price volatility of the crypto space, the same way we use USDC or USDT and other stablecoins. RSR, on the other hand, is a utility asset. With the help of a complex system of decentralized arbitrage solutions, it helps to keep the price of the stablecoin RSV and other R tokens that will be created in the future to remain at the value of $1 price target. RSR is used as a governance token for the Reserve Rights platform. In short, RSV is stablecoin and RSR is a volatile and used to stabilize RSV and other R tokens that will be created in the future to be at $1 price target. So now I've mentioned R tokens a lot, and if you don't know what R tokens are, well, R tokens is a generic name for stablecoins that gets created on top of the RSV, on top of the Reserve protocol. R tokens are fully asset backed by any combination of ERC20 tokens and can be insured against collateral default by staking RSR. Each R token is governed separately, so their risk and their rewards are separate from each other. The Reserve team compares the creation of R tokens to the creation of trading pairs on Uniswap. It's permissionless and decentralized, easy to create, and the risk of one R token is separate from others, just like Uniswap trading pairs. If you're trading on Uniswap, you can list them. You don't need permission. They are decentralized, and also the crypto that you buy on Uniswap, the risk of that particular crypto is associated with that particular crypto, and no other crypto shares that risk or reward that you stand to gain or lose. Creating R token can be done by either interacting directly with the protocol's smart contract or through any user interface that gets built on top of the protocol. To prove this concept, the RSR team has built Reserve app, an app that people living in countries with higher inflation rates can use to preserve and spend their money. Through this app, users can have easy access to dollar-backed stablecoin or dollar value stablecoin actually through RSV stablecoin. The app is widely used in countries such as Argentina, Panama, Colombia, Venezuela, and Peru. It has over 500,000 registered users and over 100,000 active weekly users. It's also accepted in over 18,000 merchants and allows users in these countries to make easy payments through the Reserve app. The team behind everything is led by Nevin Freeman. The team is divided into two. One side is focused on the app and the other side is focused on the protocol and the token. RSR has always been a big shot idea, and as such, there are VCs out there that are looking for 0 to 1 opportunities, so they've grabbed it, and many top investors, individual top investors, as well as some big crypto-backed venture funds are all into RSR. This includes Peter Thiel, who is a co-founder of PayPal, Palantir Technologies, and also Founders Fund. Sam Altman, who is a president of Y Combinator and also the co-founder and co-chairman at OpenAI, and a prominent angel investor, is also invested in it. Then we have Jack Selby, who is a member of the PayPal team and the funding team actually. And there are other funding team of PayPal that are invested in RSR. The top VC funds, crypto VC funds include Digital Currency Group, Coinbase Ventures, Penbushi Capital, and this is just to mention a few. There are many others, and you can see the full list on the RSR website. If you are invested in RSR, then I think the price, how the price performs in the future, is something that you are very interested in. Well, my opinion is this is the best time to buy and hodl RSR, because now the protocol is out, and it means the team was in line when they said they were busy at work. And at the same time, it has come at a point where everything is down. So by the time the market comes around and everything starts going up, the test of the network and everything will be over, and they can pump a lot of money into it, because it won't make sense to pump billions of dollars into the protocol right now. It will take some time to gradually do that. So by the time everything is fully and ready to go, full force, the market will also be around. So the price of RSR recently went as high as 1 cent, and that was in anticipation of the mainnet. But just like any other news, when the news hits, people sell that news. So the price went down, and now it's around 0.0062. And if you are an RSR holder, then you have to be interested in what I'm about to say about the price, because I am a holder as well, by the way. I have to tell you that. And RSR, just like any other long-term investment, you have to be patient. The goal of the team is to build a protocol that will be used globally by billions of people to provide an alternative to a local currency. In my opinion, RSR is building what Facebook proposed to build with Libra. But unlike Libra, Reserve is permissionless, is decentralized, and at the end of the day, they are not trying to make a big buck for themselves, but they are trying to give us a platform that will help people that lives in places where currency inflation is huge, and to give them an alternative to that. So the RSR token will be used to govern the protocol and can also be staked to offset the risk associated with a particular R token. The risks are not combined. Each R token has its own merits, and their government is also separate. The goal of the team is huge, and if accomplished, the RSR token will be a very valuable asset. $1 per token is a realistic price prediction for the medium term, because now it has a maximum supply of 100 billion, meaning $1 per token is going to give it a market cap of $100 billion. That's a lot, but looking at what they are trying to achieve in the long term, if they achieve this, then $1 per token is going to be the cheapest that I think is going to be at, because I think finance or money is going to be used by everyone. And if people are pumping millions and billions of dollars into the protocol, then the price per token is going to go really high. So I think $1 is a medium-term prediction. It's not a long-term one, but definitely not a short-term one as well. But you do not need to hold till those prices to make huge profits. At current prices of 0.002, the price only has to hit 0.06. That's 6 cents to make a 10x profit. And at 6 cents, it will give it a market cap of 6 billion. And this is based on a maximum supply of the protocol or of the token. A market cap that tokens like Tron already has it in this market condition. Even in a market cap, even in a bear market, Tron has a market cap that's almost 10x for RSR to do before they hit that market cap. If you are hoping to hold RSR for the long term, if you are trying to hodl, then you can buy it on some major exchanges, and this includes Binance, FTX, KuCoin, Gate.io, Crypto.com, OKX, and all these huge exchanges. The only one missing is Coinbase, and I think with the mainnet launched right now, we can also look forward to a Coinbase listing. I think at some point it's going to happen, as they are already an investor and there are several top investors in this protocol. So guys, this is what I wanted to bring to your attention. RSR, just like some few other cryptocurrencies that are for long term only, if you are not patient and if you're trying to make a quick buck, I don't think it is the right thing for you, because at the end of the day, it's going to take a lot of patience for everything to get built. And if you're going to buy and hodl this for the next several months, for probably 2 years, 3 years till the market come around, I think RSR is going to be one of those tokens that will perform very, very, very well. At the end of the day, the team is backed by some huge names, and these huge names open doors. They actually helps in partnerships and all that. So hodling my RSR for a long term. I'm not trying to make a quick buck. I'm not looking for a 2, 3, 5x. I'm trying to make whatever it is that it can in the future. So guys, welcome. And my name is Philip. Here's Investors Vibe. So guys, if you are interested in that, take a moment, subscribe, and hit on the notification bell. And another time, bye.